Traveling as a nature lover means prioritizing outdoor experiences, destination choices, travel timing, and activities. These 5 tips will help you focus on fresh air and natural settings to maximize outdoor travel. Starting at number 5, creative lodging. Enhance your nature-focused trip by choosing unique, nature-inspired lodging with natural elements or a place with stunning views. While not the main attraction, comfortable and inspiring accommodations can recharge you and elevate the overall experience. Number 4 is research local wildlife. Before traveling, nature lovers should research local wildlife to fully appreciate the area's unique ecosystem and stay safe. Knowing what animals, plants, and insects to expect can enrich your experience and help you avoid any dangerous situations. Number 3 is pack light. To stay flexible during your travels, pack light and be ready for spontaneous adventures. Like chasing a rare stargazing opportunity or hopping between cities, traveling with just a carry-on also saves time and money. Number 2 is trust the guides. Even if you're an experienced nature lover, traveling with a local guide can enhance your trip. Guides offer valuable knowledge, ensure safety, and help you discover hidden wildlife and local gems you might otherwise miss. Finally, number 1 is know your seasons. Weather and seasons vary greatly around the world. It's important for nature lovers to research the best time to visit a destination. Choosing the optimal season helps avoid extreme conditions or high heat and humidity. With the right planning and a spirit of curiosity, your next adventure won't just connect you with nature, it'll immerse you in it, one unforgettable moment at a time. For more information on the innovations shaping our world, visit tomorrowsworldtoday.com, check out the Tomorrow's World Today Facebook and Instagram pages, or subscribe to our YouTube channel.